Most software for commercial cleaning businesses makes big promises. More clients, less admin, better organization. But let's be honest, most of it is just a digital filing cabinet. Real ROI comes from systems that actually move the needle. More leads, more bookings, less time chasing people, more revenue without more overhead. That's what this software delivers. It's built on Go High Level, a platform that combines CRM, automation, calendar booking, lead tracking, and client communication in one place. And at WebEye, we've built a fully configured commercial cleaning business system on top of it. Ready to launch, no custom setup required. You get a lead capture system that responds instantly, automated quote follow-ups that close more jobs, reminders that reduce no-shows, review requests that bring in more referrals, and a CRM that gives you full visibility on every client and opportunity. That's not just convenience. That's real ROI. You spend less time managing the business and more time growing it. If you're serious about getting a return from the software you use, click the link in the description and access the WebEye system built on Go High Level, made for commercial cleaning businesses ready to scale.